If you've decided to close your HBO Max account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your HBO Max account using your email address and password. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information regarding the cancellation policy and final billing. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After cancelling your subscription, you may need to confirm that you want to close your account. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the closure of your account. Once you've completed these steps, your HBO Max account will be closed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for help.